Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, download OBS Studio for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux and run the installer. Open OBS and accept the auto configuration wizard for default settings. Go to Settings, then Video, and set base, canvas, to 1920x1080 with FPS at 60. Next, open the Sources box and click the plus sign to add a display capture or a window capture source. Name the source and choose the monitor or application window you want to record. Confirm and ensure the preview shows. Open Settings and then Output to configure recording parameters and file location. Choose recording format as MP4 and set encoder to X264 or your hardware encoder. For quality, set video bitrate to 6000 kbps for clear 1080p recordings at 60 fps. Set recording path to a folder like C/videos and confirm you have enough free disk space. Add an audio input capture source to include your microphone and adjust levels in the mixer panel. Use the audio meters to keep voice peaks below -6. Set hotkeys in settings to quickly start and stop recording. Use F9 as an example. Optionally assign pause on F10 to avoid many short files when taking breaks. Do a short test recording for 10 to 20 seconds to verify audio levels and video resolution. Check the recorded file in your output folder for sync, clarity, and frame rate stability. Use scene collections and profiles to save different setups for streaming or screen capture. Finally, back up your OBS profile and practice these steps before important recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.